Hey everyone, welcome to Code Harmony. Today we'll solve LeetCode MIDI 3000. Maximum area of a longest diagonal rectangle. Maximum area of longest diagonal wally rectangle. This question is based on array and math, and also it has been asked in companies from Accenture to Atlassian. It is marked as easy, so it's a good beginner-friendly problem. Let's have a look on the problem statement. You are given a 2D zero index integer array dimensions. So what is given to us? A 2D matrix 2 cross n. 2 cross n is the dimension of this matrix. 2 rows and n column for all the indices I, where I belong to 0 2 dimensions dot length. So I belong to this range starting with 0 index 1 2 till dimensions dot length. Dimension I0 represent the length and dimension I1 represent the width of the rectangle. They are just explaining what is given to us. 2D matrix is given, which they are calling dimensions, where every single column is representing the length of some rectangle and width of some rectangle. What we have to return is return the area of the rectangle having the longest diagonal. Area of the rectangle with the longest diagonal. There can be multiple rectangles with the same longest diagonal. Let's say, see, these are rectangles, n number of rectangles, and what is the diagonal? Let's say this is the length and this is the width, this is the diagonal. If I call it D, and whatever rectangle is going to have the maximum value of D, we have to capture the area of that and return the maximum area. Now let me explain this problem statement again in some easy terms to all the beginners. We are given 2 cross n grid. 2 cross n grid, where every single column is having length of any rectangle and width of any rectangle. So starting from this I equal to 0 till I equal to n minus 1, we are having length and width of any rectangle stored in this grid. So what we have to figure out is we have to check for the rectangle with the maximum diagonal value. Let's say this rectangle is having the maximum diagonal. Then what is the area of that rectangle? That is our answer. We have to return that. If there might be some cases where 2 rectangles are having the maximum diagonal. Let's say diagonal is coming as 10, diagonal is coming as 10. If 2 rectangles are having the same diagonal, in that case, whatever is the maximum value of that area, we have to return that. So diagonal, I have to choose the maximum one. If I have chosen the maximum diagonal, then area, I have to choose the maximum one. This is our problem statement. So here, how do we do it? First of all, we are going to track over every single rectangle and see whatever rectangle is going to have the maximum diagonal. If it is going to have the maximum diagonal, just capture its area. If this diagonal value has already been captured, then compare the area. So what we have to do is, we are coming to this rectangle. This rectangle is having length equal to L, width equal to W. So what is the diagonal? Now this is where we are going to apply some mathematics. This is the rectangle where length is this, and let's say width is this. So what is the value of this rectangle? If this is the width, this side is also equal to W. If it is L, it is W. What is this side? This side is equal to, let's say, D. Then, according to Pythagoras theorem, D square is equal to L square plus W square. And what is the value of diagonal? Diagonal is square root of L square plus W square. So this is my rectangle. So for every single rectangle, I will check for the diagonal. If this diagonal is greater than the maximum diagonal captured, then update the maximum diagonal and update the area as well. Okay, so that is one thing. one thing where I used mathematics, which is like Pythagoras theorem. Apart from that, what else do I have to do? I will just iterate over it and apply the Pythagoras theorem to capture the maximum area. That's all. Now let's try to see how we can apply it in our code. What we are given is a 2 cross n matrix, which they are calling dimensions. In every dimensions, let's say for every d in dimensions, for every d in dimension, what is the value of length? Length is d0. What is the value of width? Width is d1. Now what is the diagonal? Diagonal is equal to square root of L square plus width square. See, here we can apply one more trick, that if we are only going to compare the value of d, we can also compare the value of d square. Correct? So if for this rectangle 1 and rectangle 2, we are deciding on the basis of d, we can also decide on the basis of d square. That is not going to make any impact, because this will help us get rid of that squared calculation. So just calculate the square d square. If let's say I am calling this d square as d, my rectangle diagonal, then we can compare this diagonal. If this diagonal is greater than the maximum diagonal we have captured so far, and what is the maximum diagonal? That is, let's say 0. Then I need to capture the area. Area is equal to L into W. Length into width is the area. Okay. So this is one condition that I need to capture, and at the end we have to return that area. So this is the code that we have to do. Iterate over every single dimension and capture the length and width and capture the maximum area of maximum diagonal. See, now we have captured area of maximum diagonal, and we require maximum area of maximum diagonal. So there might be the cases, let's say if the d value is not greater than maximum diagonal, but it can also be equal to the maximum diagonal. If this value is equal to maximum diagonal, what I need to do is area is equal to maximum area. Area is going to be equal to maximum area of current maximum area into length and width. Okay, so far what we have done is we have iterated over all the dimensions, captured the length, captured the width, and we are deciding on the basis of L square plus width square, length square plus width square. After that, I will just see if this diagonal is greater than the maximum diagonal captured so far, then capture this area. This area is useful to us. But we also need to capture the maximum area if the diagonal is of maximum diagonal size. So these two conditions I need to put. And I will be using else if, because if this condition is not true, then I can check that. If this condition is true, then ignore the second condition. So this is my whole code. Now let's see, let's try to submit over the LeetCode. Let's try the code for our approach. First of all, I will be taking a couple of variables. Maximum diagonal capture so far, let's say that is 0, and area is also 0. Now I might have to iterate over each dimensions, and here what is my length? Length value is at the 0th index and width value is at the first index. And what is my diagonal? A square plus b square whole square root. But square root is not required because we don't have to compare the exact values. We don't need to store the value somewhere or use the values. We just need the comparison. And if d is less than d1 is less than d2, then d1 square is also less than d2 square, and all the diagonals are always positive. So that is the case. If this diagonal is greater than my maximum diagonal, in that case, first of all, I will update my maximum diagonal and this is the area that I need to capture, length into width. But there is another special case where this current rectangle is having a diagonal which is equal to maximum diagonal. In that case, the area should be compared, because ultimately we need to find the maximum area of rectangle with maximum diagonal. So rectangle with maximum diagonal is this rectangle, or maybe current rectangle, but we also need to maximize the area. So to maximize the area is equal to math.max, whatever is the area, into L into W. Okay, this is the case, and ultimately we have to just return the area. Now let's directly submit this problem if it is working. It was submitted successfully. I hope you understood the approach, and it's a good beginner friendly problem to get started with the arrays. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Do let me know if in case something is not clear to you. Bye bye.